guys? What is going on? Guys, the market right now is going crazy. So let's see if we can get something off open. Let's see if we can get something off open. Here, starting up the live trading. Starting up. Let's see what we can work with here. I know the market. I'll explain now. Hold on. Let me do this real quick. Okay, but I'll explain what's going on right now. Just so you guys can get a little bit of an understanding here. Yo, damn, you guys joined fast today. What the hell? What's up, guys? What's going on? Okay, so I kind of have a game plan off open. Not really, because the bias isn't the clearest. I know we're selling off and everything, but let me explain. Alright, guys, here, let me go live real quick. Alright, so, guys, right off open. Obviously, you guys see, NQ had a very nice sell-off to the downside, and it ended up taking out the double bottom that we created overnight at London lows right here. Right here. Right, guys? Now, there's a little bit of an issue here, and I saw some of you guys were mentioning it over in the premium chat, right? And the issue here is the SMT issue, right? We know that obviously sellers are very strong over on NQ, right? But we're getting bought up right now. Why is that? Could it be a retracement? Could it be an inverse? Could it be this? Could it be that? We don't know yet, right? The reason I'm saying we don't know is if you guys pay close attention to over to ES, look at what's going on. ES didn't have not a single sell-off. Yeah, we also have news at 10 in the morning. Yeah, that too. So I might wait for that if anything. But guys, ES ended up having a not. It didn't have any sell-off at all. Matter of fact. Yeah, sure. It might have had like a red candle, but that's about it. So what we could do here is, I know it's a little bit risky here, and it could risk us getting a trade or not getting a trade. But hear me out, guys. Now, you guys know NQ has the strong SMT today. Obviously, NQ has a lot more sellers than ES has sellers, right? But ES is currently holding NQ from going any lower as it wants to go into liquidity below. You guys see right here, NQ currently just rejected off this fair value gap. We're getting some selling, not the craziest, but it seems like NQ wants to go lower, right? I mean, we have liquidity at 852, which we haven't taken out. We also have liquidity at 755, which is an Asia low, and all that good stuff, right? Now, the reason I keep mentioning SMT here, right, is if we look at ES, ES has this London high that we have not taken out yet, right? So what's the one thing holding us down from going any lower? Well, the one thing holding us down from going any lower is ES because of the buying, right? So if we can sweep liquidity over on ES, which we're about to, we're 2 points away, right? If we can take out liquidity right here, just like this, if we take out liquidity and start rejecting back down, what this could lead us into is, if you go over to NQ, we can go into the midpoint, because the push-up that ES is going to have, it's a small push-up, right? We got a small push-up here, we got another one right here. We go into the midpoint of this fair value gap. Depending on the reaction of ES, if it starts going down, we could take a fair value gap rejection off this and then write it down into liquidity at 852 and so on. Do you guys get what I'm saying? Because I know right off open, you know, we're selling off, everyone's going crazy, like, oh my god, yeah, like, everyone go short, you know what I mean? Like, no, you know, let's be smart here. You know what I mean? We don't just go short because the market goes down. All right. So that's the game plan right now. Now, the reason I'm saying it's risky and we may or may not get a trade is because we don't know if we're gonna get. We don't know if we're gonna get what's it called? What's it called? I lost my train of thought. We don't know if we're gonna get a sweep. We could reject at any point if we want to. That's the thing. We can reject whenever we want. So because we're inside of this bearish rally gap. So I would take shorts. Don't get me wrong. I do believe we're gonna go lower. Obviously, there's a lot more room to the downside. But we really need ES to take out this liquidity just so we can have the perfect reading in the market, right? It's gonna be a little bit risky here. And I might take shorts beforehand. I don't know. Because don't get me wrong, shorts look really good right now. I mean, we're getting the rejection. We're getting everything, right? It's just a sweep. That's the problem. And I mean, the risk reward here is not even the best for the first price target, but we're gonna always target lower, which is gonna be this Asia low right here. But I really want ES to take out liquidity up here first. We sweep London, and that'll be the best thing ever. We take out London, we don't have any. We might not have any room higher because ES is what's holding NQ from going lower. We take it out, ES starts selling off, NQ sells off even harder. All right. ES is a choppy mess. Yeah, a little bit. I mean, the market just opened, to be fair. And we all guys, by the way, we also have news at 10 in the morning. So yeah, in 10 minutes, pretty much. So I much rather kind of have I much rather wait for that to come out. Hopefully, it pushes up a little bit higher to take out these two levels of liquidity, and then we can work off something there. Now, if news comes out very bullish, we can also inverse this. It's not a bad idea. And the reason I'm saying we can also inverse this is because, guys, we ended up taking out liquidity with the overnight lows down here. Wait, let me put out that I'm live on YouTube. I completely forgot. Oh, shit. What's up, YouTube? I forgot about you guys. My bad. Hold on. Let me see. Trading chat. Let me put this out real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. But yeah, no matter what happens, I'm gonna wait for news to come out. I don't really care if we reject off this fair value gap or not. I'm sure we can get some sort of trade today. I mean, for now the volume is looking pretty good, right? So, is there any difference in the discount code? Actually, speaking of Apex discounts, they sent out, and I don't know if you guys got it. I'm sure you guys got it. You guys more than likely got an email saying something about Black Friday. I told you guys yesterday. We're kind of waiting for that. We know that they're gonna do it. They're gonna do the 90% off. I'm sure they will. Did you enter shorts? No, I'm not in shorts. I was just kind of explaining something. I don't know. But yeah, we're waiting on the 10 a.m. News, pretty much. Yeah, email something about building a trading. Yeah, I don't know what that's about. No one cares about a trading computer. We care about the 90% off. So they know what you want. They know what we want. You know what I mean? Am I in college? I'm gonna drop out pretty soon. Are they gonna give? We hope so. We hope so. I'm not starting anything, bro. We hope so. Exactly. I saw the email 69%. And yeah, exactly. Like, who cares about some Black Friday trading computer, bro? We don't care about that, bro. If Apex does the 90% off for Black Friday, would it? No, it'll probably be a few days. It'll probably be a few days. But guys, right now we are getting some sort of rejection here, which is fine. I honestly don't care if we reject off this fair value gap, at least for now, because in 9 minutes we do have news coming out. Right, I don't have time, bro. I really can't focus on it. As much time as I want to put into it, I really can't. Yeah, wait, are they actually making a computer? Bro, what? An Apex computer. Yeah, for real, like what? Anyways, guys, we're getting some selling to come in, which is, I guess, is fine. I don't really care if we miss this move down. Uh, because we have liquidity right around the corner. We might as well take that out real quick to see if we can get some sort of reading. And once we take that out, I'm sure we can get something as well. Yeah, we can probably get something. We need news to come out first. So, like I said, I don't care what happens at this moment. I really don't care. I don't care if we sell off. I don't care if we pump up. I'm gonna wait for news to come out. Depending on what that does, we should be able to get a more clear reading, which will give us more confidence into the trade if we do end up taking one. What time is news? In 8 minutes. 8 minutes. It's not the biggest news in the world. It is a red folder, but it's probably gonna give us like a little push up. It's PCE price index. I don't know what that is, but it's a red folder, so you know, I'm sure it'll do something. I hope so. But yeah, let's see how that goes. But yeah, I was really hoping we could sweep. We still could. I mean, we're not super far away. Like I said, if we get news and we get like a little push up here, 5 points, boom, we take out liquidity to go back down. We're good. You know what I mean? Are we going light? I mean, it's up to you, bro. Doing whatever you want. Me, I don't know. I can see a delay of 2 minutes, bro. Yep, that's normal, bro. On YouTube, there is always gonna be a delay of 2 minutes. If you don't want a delay, it's the first link in the description. Apex also made a book about which laptop to buy for trading. Like, bro, what? Just any laptop works. But yeah. You check my DMs, bro. I haven't really been responding to DMs anymore, bro. There's too many, man. There's too many. Look, if you have a question, bro, just honestly just put it in the premium chat, bro. If you want it instantly answered, because there's too many DMs, bro, and I just can't catch up. It's like I answer one and like 10 more come. What liquidity am I talking about? I'm talking about the one at 852. You zoom out, there's some right here. 852, the London lows from Tuesday. Brand new MacBook Pro. Yeah, exactly. You can use a MacBook. Yeah. All right, guys. We ended up taking out liquidity here. But yeah, like I said, I wasn't gonna take any shorts off this just yet. I was really hoping ES would take something out up here, and ES is also struggling to see some selling. So it's looking a little bit iffy. So for now, hopefully actually the best thing that could happen if we want the best risk reward ratio in a trade, I would say we get a sweep off this. News comes out, it gives us a lot of buying. We inverse this, and we have a lot of room to the upside. We have actually 3 price targets. So a trade would look something like this. 25 points the usual, and then we would have like what, like almost 100 point price target, which is not bad at all. We could always do that, but it all depends on how we react off 852. Obviously, if we want to go lower, we can still take shorts because we have a lot of room to the downside. If we hold below 852, we have a lot of room up until 755, which is the next level of liquidity down here. You guys get what I'm saying? So that's what I'm telling you guys. I'm not worried if we don't take shorts off this fair value gap. We could still catch something to the downside. You know what I mean? We should be fine, especially with this candle closing as a fair value gap. Yeah, 44 points. We should be good. Yeah. So we could use this one as more of a bias. I don't really care about that. How do you determine where levels of liquidity is at? Just mark out pullbacks. Pretty much, just mark pullbacks. And if anything, guys, what we could do is we could use this fair value gap as an entry point. You know what I'm saying here? So it's all about patience. It's all about patience. But yeah, I'm not gonna take a trade for 5 more minutes until news comes out. Remember, it's PCE price index. I don't know what that is, but it's something. That's fair value gap formed in the 15 minute. I'm sure it's no. There's actually it's the same thing. It's the same thing there. But yeah, if we want to have a bullish bias for the morning, guys, we need to hold above 852 for now. Like right now, like after the news comes out, we need to hold above it. If not, we're gonna be bearish. All right, guys. So it's good to know that we're more than likely gonna have a bias today. I mean, we should. We should. Um. So let me see. A measure of price of people living in the U.S. buying BF based figures. Oh, okay, got it. But yeah, like I said, guys. Depending on whatever happens, we should be good for a bias today. Which I'm actually surprised. I wasn't expecting too much volume today. With Thanksgiving being tomorrow and all that stuff. But we have some volume in the market. So like I said, guys, if the news comes out bearish, we can get something. If the news comes out bullish, we can also get something. All right, guys. So that is what we're waiting on. It's an inflation number. Yeah, yeah. I see. I see now. I see now. But yeah, like I said, we need the way we determine the bias is at this level right here. Like we're at the level where we're gonna know where what the bias is. All right. So yeah. Now, why am I saying that? Because once again, we have a very strong level of liquidity at 852. Anything below that, we have 755, which is pretty far away, about 100 points away, right? And then above that, we also have liquidity above. So it's either we sweep this level, we go up, or bearish news, we go down, we ride it into 755, right? So no matter what happens, we can get something, right? We're not gonna be, we don't have to be married to a certain bias. Now, I don't know if we're gonna hold up this fair value gap for too long. I'm hoping we do, so we can probably get a trade off this, you know. But let me see. If we get an inverse off this, the first price target will be this high up here. We're looking at a 25-point price target. It's whatever. Not the best risk reward there. But obviously, we would always target higher just in case. But yeah. So far, it seems like buyers are holding the sweep up pretty well, mainly thanks to ES here. So let's see what we can do. What if we inverse this new fair value gap? We could. If we inverse this one, I would probably do starters on this one, and then just add add a break above this or a break above this. Mainly a break above this, most likely. I can't figure out how to trade more than 25 contracts on Tradeovate. Can you show me? You just type the number on the box on how many contracts you want to buy. Full position. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. I'll see how news comes out. Remember, I gotta see the price action. And I'm really hoping ES can pick up a little bit, so we can get some more movement. But what we have now is pretty good, I would say. Oh yeah, bro. If you're on your phone, bro, I don't know how to work around that, bro. I've never really traded off my phone. But yeah. Yeah, it's sketchy as hell. Yeah, when I do have to do it, like if I'm out of my setup or whatever, but it's sketchy. Like I don't trust it. I really don't. I have to like quadruple check that everything is solid and everything. I'm actually hoping we fill this fair value up just so I can get this worry about off of it, and we trade off this. My bad. Um, Thank you, bro. Blast, what will be the lot size for the starters? If I ever do starters, it'll be 5. I always do. Thank you, guys. I will always do 5. Retest on the 15. Oh yeah, I don't do order blocks. But yeah, I'm actually kind of hoping that we fill this fair value gap in this candle, so I don't worry about it. I don't know. I wouldn't really take anything off this. Not that I want to. Cause I want to take it off this. It's a lot. It's a lot more. A lot more. There's a lot more confidence behind this one. Obviously, it's, more respected and everything. But we'll see what we could do. On 10 accounts, if you enter 100 contracts, that's 10 per account. Yeah, because it divides it per account. So it will divide it by 10. Now, if you have 2 contracts, it'll divide it by 2, and so on. News income, yeah, we have news in 10 seconds. So let's see how that goes. If we end up inversing this fair value gap, I won't take it just because the news, it's going crazy. I don't really trade news candles, but we're gonna give the market some time. Like I said, be patient today, and let's see. And it is. Did it come out? Let me see. It's pending. Give it a second. The market's about to react in a few seconds. And it looks like it wants to come out bearish, but oh yeah, well there it is. Yeah, well it seems bearish. Let me see. Hold on, it's still not out yet. Okay, there you go. Like I said, not the biggest reaction in the world. Actually, pretty normal reaction. But like I said, depending on how we hold 852, it will give us a what's it called, a bullish or bearish bias. All right. When do you know the level of liquidity is the last level the market wants to grab? It depends. If the next there's always going to be more liquidity. Keep that in mind. I will never tell you guys that there's literally no more liquidity. There always is. But think of it on how price moves throughout the day. For example, if we took out, let's say for example, we have 852. We just took out this liquidity. Let's say for example, the next level of liquidity is at 600. The market already dumped a lot. It's not going to dump 300 more points or 200 more points to take out liquidity again. So think of it in like a day-to-day basis. You know what I mean? Did I get it? Not yet. Think of it on a day-to-day basis. So when I say, oh yeah, we have no more liquidity to the downside or to the upside, that just means that price more than likely isn't going to push up even higher to take out more liquidity. All right? Yeah, of course, of course. But there's always going to be more liquidity. I mean, we have, you know what I mean? There's always going to be more. All right? But yeah, guys, so far it seems like the news wants to come out bearish, which is fine. Which is fine. Because if you want to be bearish, I told you guys, it's okay. It dumped? Not really. It went down like what, like 28 points. Don't let the candle size fool you, bro. Always measure the candle. But anyways, what we could do here, guys, is if we want to hold below 852 and obviously not show any signs of a sweep, what we could do is we could start looking for some sort of setup inside of this range down here and ride it into 755 and maybe 721 to target those levels of liquidity. You guys see right here we have a double bottom, all these levels, right? So it's fine. It's fine if we don't have one. All right. But let's see. Hopefully we can create some sort of a fair value gap here. Because if we can, then that'll be perfect for us to get a setup. All right. We're about 2 points away from creating a really nice valid fair value gap, and ES still hasn't really done anything, surprisingly. But we'll see. I'm gonna give the market some more time. Yeah, ES is, yeah, it's kind of fucking us up today, as always. But if we can, like I said, if we can hold above 852, it might take some time, a few minutes, here and there. But once we get that that bias, we should be good to go for a setup. Isn't it up? Yeah. But yeah, no, I mean, we wicked out. I mean, it seems like we want to take out a little bit more liquidity down there. Okay, I mean, that's fine. That's totally fine. Now, if we do end up pushing back up with a lot of buying, I don't know if I really want to take this inverse. Like, it doesn't look horrible. It's just, if we take this, we're risking us rejecting off this fair value gap again. You know what I mean? Like, it's an early entry. Don't get me wrong. It's a really good early entry. And we can make a lot of money. But it's like there's so much holding us down from going any higher up here. And our first price target is 25 points, which is not bad, but for the risk to reward for PT1, it's a 1-to-1, which actually isn't too bad. Now that I think about it. First PT 1-to-1, second PT will be a pretty much 1-to-4. Yeah, it's not bad at all. I'll consider it. I'll see how buyers step in here. I'll just target all these levels of liquidity above, like that. Cause like I don't know, I kind of want to be bullish. Sellers, they're not as strong as they were off open. Um, but yeah, let me see. Hold on, let me write this out just in case. Um, so it'll be 20,899.25, 20,970.75, 20,990, 990, and then 21,019. So four price targets. Not bad, not bad. But yeah, guys, okay, guys, if you guys hear me say that I'm in, of course I'm telling you guys the size that I'm in. But if we do end up taking this rally gap, it would have to be a starter position, because it's not the most confident. Definitely not the best. Especially with ES looking weird. The market looks good, but it could be better. It could definitely be better. But we're gonna see how volume spikes up around this range, depending if buyers step in really strong, like this, like exactly like this. If we could keep this volume up, we could take starters off this position right here, target a 1-to-1, move our stop loss to break even, and just let the rest do its thing. If we get stopped out, then oh well, we get a quick scalp. You guys get what I'm saying? So we could definitely do that. I would say it wouldn't be a bad idea. But it all depends on how buyers step in. We need like I said, we need a lot of buyers. I won't take it if price looks a little bit choppy. I'm not gonna, especially going to Thanksgiving. The last thing I want is for us to chop out. For me, your guys' starters can be whatever you guys want. I'm just telling you guys what I'm gonna size, which is usually five. You guys can do 1, 2, 3, 5, 10. I don't know. Doesn't ES want 6,027? 6,027. No, we just created that low. No, not really. If ES wants anything, it will be 24. That's the London low. But I don't know. ES today looks very slow for some reason, so I guess not. I guess not. It doesn't want a high nor low. It's just chopping. So you saying you'll size at 5? No, no, no. I'm saying I'm like if I enter, I'm gonna do 5 contracts. It's just my starter position. Minis or micro, bro? What type of question is that, bro? Of course, micros. Matt choppy? Yeah, I know. I know. That's what I'm telling you guys. If we what's it called? If we kind of like slowly inverses, I probably won't take it. I'll just wait for this inverse above, and I'll just if I have to wait all day, then I'll just do it. Stop loss at 35. The stop is right here, bro. Right here. It's a red number. I like to do 3 micros. Yeah, that's fine, bro. Then do 3 micros. You know what I mean? Rismus. Is that where you're investing into? Rismus, bro. Yeah, so far buyers aren't looking the most promising. So, we'll see. Like I said, I need to see a big spike in volume. If we don't get the spike and we slowly just chop out to inverses, I will not take it. Hey, what's up? What's up, Steph? Yeah, the second entry looks safe. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you guys. If you're gonna enter the first one, just do starters. You know what I mean? If it goes against you, then who cares? It's starters. That's the whole point of it. It's not so you blow up your account. It's so you get a starter position in the trade. All right. The entry longs, no. I will let you guys know. Somehow I can't go in with 5 micros. Uh. Oh, if you're on top step, that's top step, right? I think top step only limits you to 2, which is horrible. You enter, no, guys. You guys are not new to this, bro. I'm not in. I'm not in. I'll let you guys know. Yeah, top step. Yeah, I think you can only do 2. When that counts brand new. No, on a live account. Okay, look, on Top Step For those that don't know, if you're using Tradeovate, not TopStep X, Tradeovate. Not remember, not TopStep X. On Tradeovate, you can either choose between two minis or two micros. There's no in between. Yeah, yeah. You know they have that feature. So you complain about Tradeovate and you go over to their broker. So when the account is brand new, I think for the first $500 in profit, you can only size two minis or two micros, and anything above, it's like three minis or three micros, and then four, and then five, and so on. It's really dumb. It's for the first 1,000. I thought it was for the first 500. I guess which is even worse. So yeah. No. I'm being for real. Two micros. Yes, two micros. They have apparently a glitch in the system where you can only size either two minis or two micros. They coded the site wrong. So yeah, you're better off just doing one mini. Yeah, it's annoying. Yeah, they bro, trust me, it's been a thing for like 2 years, maybe even more. They obviously they do that on purpose. They're like, oh yeah, it's a glitch. We're gonna fix it, whatever. They've been saying they're gonna fix it for the last year. And they haven't done anything. They're doing that so you move from Tradeovate to their broker, because in their broker they claim to already have fixed it. Yeah, it's not a glitch, bro. I mean, you know you could choose how many you want on it. You know, but yeah, it's really dumb. The entry's so scary that I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, then don't take it. You know what I mean? Like I said, if we end up getting it, it's a big if. If we end up getting it, which obviously we're selling off right now, it's a starter position. This position isn't meant to make you too much money, nor make you lose any money at all. You guys get what I'm saying? You guys gotta understand what a starter position is. It's not to full port. It's not so you can make $1,000 in a day. It's so you get a good entry, so you can make some lunch money, and then you add more as the trade goes on. All right? Because there's been no, trust me, guys. There's been times where I'm like, guys, enter starters here, enter like two, three contracts, and people enter like 30 contracts, and they're like, yo, I blew up my account. I'm like, oh well, that's your fault. Did you get started? No, I haven't. I'm not in yet. We haven't gotten any inverse. We haven't gotten any sign of anything. The market is looking a little bit iffy. ES is pushing up, and NQ is kind of red. Will we add the starters above this inverse? That's if though. That's if I like it enough. I don't know how you guys would like it. I'm seeing some people don't like it. If you guys don't like it, obviously don't take it. But yeah, yeah, it's only on the XFA. Yeah, I know. That's what I was saying. When you say add more as we go on, what do you mean? I mean, you just buy more as the trade goes in your favor. You're adding your full position that you were gonna enter off of in the first place. Pretty much, you're just getting an earlier entry so you can make an extra bit amount of money as it goes on. Do you use book maps? No, no, I don't. No. I just use just price action. Um, hey, thank you, bro. How much should I be trading on a 50K account? Do like seven micros. That's not too bad. Seven to 10. Does adding more? Does adding move your entry or does it stay the same? It averages it out. Oh, bro, I do not ask me, bro. I am not the one. No. I don't know. I am not the one to ask, bro. But add more is not bad when you're gonna trim. Well, you can't really if okay look if you guys add starters and the trades go in your favor, you can't really trim too much because you're not in anything. Remember, you're in starters. You know you're that's the whole point. I just from a Fair Valley Gap. Uh, well we haven't really retraced anything off of a Fair Valley Gap at least yet. What are we working with here? 32 points. Not too bad. If anything, guys, if we create a Fair Valley Gap here, we could do a retracement and write it into 755 for a quick 50-point scalp. Because it seems like buyers just can't hold above this sweep up here. So and ES is also going down a lot as well. So I'm leaning more towards bearish for now. We can also get a full position off this if it forms. I'm really hoping it does. We have about 5 more points left, so we need to break this low. So we need to be around 800. We get a quick retracement. We take shorts into 755. Quick scalp there, and then we can just call it a day there. But for now, I'm just not seeing anything super crazy. We do have a bias though, which is more bearish. But let's see. We have 1 minute to sell off about 15 points. Let's see if we can do it. Hopefully we can. I mean, it's not too hard. It doesn't sound too hard. But yeah, 15 points. That's all we need. A little sell off, and we're good. All right, guys. And we should be good for one setup here. And then, oh, but the thing is if we sell off, yes, it's gonna take out liquidity. So, ooh. But today is just. It looks good. Don't get me wrong. It's just today. There's so many things to focus on. But since NQ is leading more, I'm sure we can take out liquidity on ES as we take out liquidity at 755 on NQ. But come on, let's sell off 10 more points here, so we can create this fair value gap. 10 more points. Come on, in 20 seconds. That's 1 point. Come on, it's not. Just one little sell off. It's all I ask. Come on, 10 seconds. Come on, we need the setup. Come on. No, don't tell me prices freezes there. Bruh, it just freezes. All right. Oh well. It's whatever. It's whatever. We could probably still take some. I don't know. Do you provide text alerts? Yeah, I do. Yeah. It's lives and text alerts. Yes, sir. I don't believe in this. Nah, me neither, bro. Me neither. So far, it's not looking the best. And of course, obviously, now we sell off a little bit. You know, we create the fair value. Maybe after 15 minutes we have something. Yeah, the 15 minute looks the same pretty much. It's not horrible. Let me see on the 5 minute. Yeah, it's literally the same thing. Okay, bet. Yeah, if anything, guys, we could take the retracement off the 15 minute. Yeah, we could work off that if anything. I mean, the candle's still 38 points. Yeah. It's there. Just not as promising. But let's see, cause now that we still need to wait for the candle to close here. I don't know if we're gonna get a retracement or not. But what we could do, guys, is we can work off a sweep here, since we're really close to London lows. Depending on how we hold this, you know, we could definitely get a bias. But so far, long now, no, we're not longing. The market's going down. We're gonna see. Just give the market some time, guys. I can't really tell you guys what the market wants to do so far because we're in a tricky position. So just give me time. Give me time to kind of, you know, develop something here. Just give me some time. I want to give you guys obviously the best setup to go into Thanksgiving break. I don't want to give you guys a red setup. That's the last thing I want to do. All right. So yeah. None of those will be great. Yes, about to take out liquidity. Let me see. Oh yeah. Wait, did we take it out? We tapped into it. Bro, we tapped exactly into it. What the hell? I don't even know if we should. Bro. Bro, I don't even know if we should count that. I mean, I guess we could. We tapped into it. Bro. Okay, yeah, no, we can work off that. We can definitely work off that. Like I'm saying, guys, so far the market isn't really providing anything that's super crazy to like really spot out. But we'll see. Wait, what company are you on? We're on NQ. We've always been on NQ. MNQZ4. David, do you only go live alone? What do you mean? What do you mean? Like for the live trading? Yeah, I mean, yeah, kind of, yeah. I don't know. I don't really like having people on the live. Like Krabby, yeah, Krabby's cool because you know he just chats with you guys, and all that stuff. Yeah, he just comes to say what's up. But no, I don't really like live trading with people because like that's just gonna confuse everyone. Because one person could be bullish, one person could be bearish, and it's a whole headache. Nah, I'm good. I'm good off that. I like to trade solo, man. And obviously, you know, I have my friends coming in, you know, saying what's up and all that stuff, and that's it. Exactly. Two lines can't. Oh, I've never heard about that, but yeah. I'll probably never. I don't know. I'll probably never do that. It's kind of stupid. When adding to a position, how many MNQ should I add in the first adding? However much you want, bro. If you want to do 5 more, if you want to do 3 more, you know. I'm confused. What are we doing right now? Nothing, man. Nothing. we're still waiting on the market to give us some sort of a bias. You know what I mean? Um, the market is in a right now. It's kind of in a position where we don't know what it wants to do. It looks like we know what it wants to do, but not really. I mean, it's kind of a little bit slow. So we're still waiting. And if anything, guys, we can always get something in the PM session. There's nothing stopping us from there, from that, pretty much. But we're still waiting on that. We're still waiting on that. Let's see what we can cook up. Thank you so much. Hey, bro, happy Thanksgiving, bro. Of course, of course. Shami, welcome back. Welcome. I know you've been here for a while. Wait, I don't know how you do how you do this blast. Some make you sound like some make you sound like a broken record answering the same questions. Bro, it's the name of the job, bro. That's what it's about. Nah, it doesn't annoy me though. Market close Friday? No, it's an early close. So 10, bro. Look, guys. Quick tip here for the people that are new to trading, guys. Anytime you hear there's a early close, do not even bother looking at the charts for the day. It is not. It is never gonna be good. No one in the world, no one in the right minds trades early closes. Do not trade it. Do not trade it. All right. Yes, tomorrow is closed. Obviously, it's Thanksgiving. Go enjoy the day. Friday, do not trade Friday. Never trade early closes. They are not good. They are known to be bad. All right. I'm just making it clear here. Right? Yeah, exactly. So no trades from today till Monday. And that goes for everyone, every trader. You know what I mean? So if you guys don't like it from me, like, oh, like, if you go to another trader that trades, they're probably not even gonna be trading. All right. So yeah, FOMC in the afternoon. No, there is no FOMC today. It was yesterday. No profitable trader trades early closes, bro. No trader in general trades or early closes. No trader with a brain. All right. But yeah, tomorrow and Thursday. I mean tomorrow and Friday. Pretty much technically the market is closed. Pretty much. Think of it like that. All right. But hey guys, so far now that ES took out liquidity down here, NQ is picking up a little bit. I don't want to. I don't know if I want to look into shorts. I really don't, since ES, it's giving us more of a bias. What do you mean by early closes? Well, the market closes early. That's what I mean, bro. The market closes early. It closes. It typically closes at 4. Tomorrow or Friday is gonna close at 1, right? It's 1 around there. I don't know, around there. I think it closes at 1. It's either 12 or 1. Well, yeah, 1 p.m. EST. Yeah, so it closes 3 hours early. But yeah, guys, let's see. Like I said, I don't know if I want to take shorts off this. Typically I would, but with the fact that ES took out liquidity down here, it's not looking the most promising, because if ES sweeps, then NQ is gonna go right back up and stop us out. So I'm just waiting for the perfect moment to enter some sort of position, and I don't know if right now is the moment to do it, especially with the volume looking a little bit questionable. All right, so I'm playing careful, 100%, 100%. Do you count ES as swept? I mean, we tapped into liquidity, so technically, yeah, but I don't know how the selling wants to come along. I mean, I don't know if we want to keep going lower. It's hard to read because NQ is telling us lower, but ES is telling us higher. You get what I'm saying? So we're in a spot where it's like a little bit hard to kind of like get a good reading. Because look, guys, NQ definitely it has 50 more points to go lower, at least 50 points, right? Oh, I duplicated this. There you go. ES on the other hand, it took out London low, and we're getting buying to come in. The selling isn't as strong, so we're in a spot where we don't know what the market wants to do yet, right? So that's what I'm telling you guys. Be patient. Wait for something to kind of spark up that's very clear. Once we get that, we get a good trade. All right, I'm not gonna force anything out. That's bad, especially the day before Thanksgiving. I know that's the last thing you guys would want. All right, but yeah, so far we are breaking these lows, which is not horrible. But we'll see what we could do here. I don't know. I just shorts, as good as they look, we were in a spot where I just kind of don't want to take it. And I get it. I get it. We're selling off. I know we missed the setup. Whatever. Not in my eyes. Not in my eyes. My job here is to give you guys the perfect setups to make you guys money. All right. If the market is looking questionable, obviously I will not give it to you guys. And just like that, we tapped into liquidity again, and we're bouncing right back up. So, better safe than sorry. 100%. Always. Always. You guys know me for being consistent. You guys don't know me for, what I mean? You guys do not know me for forcing out trades. That's not what I'm known for. So, just a little bit of patience, and I got you guys. Hey, bro. Peace out, Bonzi. Peace out, bro. Have a good week, bro. No trade is better than the last trade. 100%. 100%. If you get a red trade today, you better give me a bro. I got you guys. Yeah, just like that, guys. Yes, tapped into liquidity again, swept it. I guess a little bit more, and we're going back up. So even if you took shorts, you wouldn't have had a good moment there, because you typically wait about 20 points, so you would have gotten like 15 points off the setup. Yeah, like 15-ish points. Not horrible. But yeah, if anything, guys, we'll move on to the PM session. If am I gonna trade tomorrow, guys? The market, no, bro. The market is closed, man. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Even if the market was open, you guys are not hearing from me. I'm gonna be out with my mom. Are you going full position on the setup? There's no setup here, bro. I know you for the blasty trade, bro. Is keeping the 15-minute fair value got valid? If anything, we can definitely work off the 15-minute. If price, it all depends on how price moves along. Because if look, guys, if we work off the 15-minute, we would definitely have a lot of room to the upside. Because let's say, for example, we get an entry here, we have 60 points for PT1, which is not bad at all. Not bad at all. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. If a setup shows up, how many MQ are you gonna? I don't know. Well, it depends on the price action. That's not something I can really answer until something comes up. You know what I mean? It all depends. If the setup looks good, have you taken anything? No, not yet, bro. I'm waiting for the perfect moment, or for the perfect setup. Yeah, I gotta be trying, bro. Yeah, bro. But if anything, guys, what we could do is if we take out this Asia low down here and we reverse, we can inverse this 15-minute up here. You guys get what I'm saying? We could do something like this. So even if we do sell off, what we can work with is something like this. We get the MSS, we get the sweep in the MSS. We inverse this, we get an entry, and we just target liquidity above. It'll be a lot cleaner. It'll be a lot clearer, and we're gonna have a way better bias. Because obviously the market right now is going down because we want to take out liquidity to the downside, right? Hence the sell-off right here. All right, and yes, end up taking out this liquidity down here as well. So yeah, if anything, guys, if you want the perfect setup, I would say we wait for a 755, and we sweep there. And if not, then that won't be good, you know. But yeah, that's the current game plan, I would say. And I know it might take some time, but you know, we can work with something like that. No, it took it out. It took it out. Yes, took it out. Now with ES taking out this extra low right here, I don't know if we're gonna sweep just yet, or maybe NQ wants to dump 30 more points to take out this liquidity down here before we go back up. But with us selling off so much now, I mean, shorts, they don't really look as promising anymore. I'm sure we can catch the reversal. I'm sure we can catch the reversal. Dave's the best I explained, bro. Thank you. Is there rule for consistent sizing? I think so. I've never had an issue with it, so I don't know how strict they are on it. Do you ever respect for value guys from Asia or London sessions? Not really, no. Not really. Not really. But yeah, guys, I kind of want the market to sell off a little bit more into 755, and depending on what we do there, I can give you guys a trade. I can definitely get you guys a trade. Yes, it seems like the volume on ES is picking up a lot more, which is a good sign, because we can get some SMT there, and then we can get a setup there. And I duplicated the tab again. I don't know why. Long as 750? No, not yet. We're just getting a reading around there, bro. People gotta understand you don't predict what's gonna happen. You play off what we couldn't see happening. Yeah, of course, of course. And guys, if we end up getting this 15-minute, this 5 and 15-minute, I'll do full size off this. Like what, like 10 micros around there? I'll do full size off this. But the price has to look like this. We take out liquidity, we sweep it, we form an MSS, and then we inverse it with strong buying. All right. because it's good. It's a 5 and 15 minute fair value gap, same spot, same everything. We just need very good volume off this. Used to do 50. Yeah, no, but now I'm trading 10 accounts, so I'm doing 10. I size down more. It's better risk reward, and I'm still making money off it. But yeah, guys, I'm really hoping we can sell off a little bit more before we get a good entry off anything. 20 more points, bro. But yeah, like I said, yes, you know, we could take out some liquidity here as well. It's kind of like whatever here. I don't know. Volume on Q is kind of struggling a little bit. This could be a big trade, 100%. But it might take some time. Today's not gonna be the one of those days where we finish the day before 10 a.m. You know what I mean? Unfortunately, but hey, as long as it makes money, who are we to complain? But yeah, yes, has to buy an imbalance at the 20. That's not good properly. At 20. No, we already took it out. But yeah, like the selling on NQ is there, but it's not strong. It's not strong at all. Can you make more money for trading 20 accounts? Yeah, obviously, but the more accounts there is, the harder it gets. You know what I mean? It's just mentally hard. Mentally hard. So you're looking for an inverse after the sweep? Yes, yes. So what I'm looking for right now, guys, for those joining in, you know, those tuning in, the setup might take a little bit long to form because obviously we need a lot to form here. But once it does, what I'm looking for is a 15-minute or 5-minute as well. Um, I want to take out this Asia low. I want to sweep this Asia low. I want to form an MSS on the 5-minute time frame or the 15-minute, right? And then we inverse this 5 and 15-minute fair value gap to target liquidity above up here, 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 and here. All right, that's the game plan right now. If we can't get that, then honestly, there's not much that really looks the best here in the market. So, you know, it depends. It depends. Sometimes I read the questions in here and I don't know how you do it. Bro, like I said, it's just, I'm used to it, bro. I've been doing this for a long time. A very long time. So, I'm used to it. Should we trade an account that is pending? No, 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 no. Do not do that. Get off the account. Get off, bro. Get off trading. Until that thing says approved, do not trade. No, do not full port. Do not trade on that thing. No, no, no. Guys, when it says pending, that means that Apex got the request, but they have not reviewed it. So when they review it and they see that yeah, sure, you requested the payout, but when they review it and you don't have the money in the account, they're going to deny the payout. Do not trade on it. It sounded like my mom. Okay, paid and ready. Do not trade on that account until that thing says approved. All right, because look, once again, for those that don't know what that means, guys, when you request a payout on Apex or TopStep or whatever, when the payout says pending, what that means is that they got the request, it's in their system, right? They got the request that yeah, they gotta pay you, right? But when it comes time to review your account, if you do not have the money in that thing, right, in the account, they obviously can't accept it because there's no money in the account. All right, so do not trade it. All right, until that thing says approved. All right, once it says approved, you're good to go because then they take away the money from the account and they wire you the money over to your bank account. All right, so you're good. So please do not trade it. If that's your only account, then you can either buy an eval or just, I'm sure you can, you know, you'll be fine. You'll live. It's been 2 days. It's fine, bro. It takes time. It takes time. It takes 3 days. Especially with the holidays coming up. You probably won't get the approval till either Friday or Monday. But you'll live. You'll live, bro. It's like, it's the Christmas, bro. You'll be fine, bro. Sometimes it takes a day, sometimes it takes 3 days, sometimes it even takes a week. All right, bro. All right, but thank you. Got the payout. Thanks to you. Hey, bro. Thanks to you, bro. Hey. At the end of the day, I'm not the one pressing the button on your computer. You're the one doing it. Give yourself some credit too. All right, bro. David. But if they took the money from the account, are you able to trade? Yeah, you're still able to trade. Obviously, yeah. But when it says pending, do not trade it. All right. When it says pending, do not do it. All right. Once it says approved, they take away the money from the account. Right, they take away what you requested. So, for example, if you requested $2,000, they're gonna take away $2,000 from the account. They're gonna subtract it, right, and they're just gonna wire you the money, and then you should be good to go. and that goes for any amount. Do not take 80. No, they do not take anything. You're gonna keep 100% of the payout. So if you requested $2,000, you're keeping $2,000. What's in it for them? Oh, you already paid them, bro. That's it. That's it. Remember, you paid them the evaluation and you paid them the activation fee. They already made their money. What's the minimum you can request? I think it's 500. No, it's 500. When does uh when does the drawdown stop on the 50K account? After $2,000 in profits. What's the maximum you can request? Here, bro. Let me send you. And guys, by the way, we're still waiting on this sweep here. So in the meantime, if you guys have any questions, you guys let me know. But I don't know how long this trade is gonna take, and I don't even know if we're gonna get it. But in my eyes, this is the perfect setup that we have for today. So it's either we get it or we don't get it. You know what I mean? Here, let me take a screenshot for you real quick. Who's the one that asked the maximum? Right here. Here you go, bro. Hopefully you can read those numbers. I'm sure you can. David, I know you love Apex. Have you tried any other prop firms? Yes, I've done Top Step. It was whatever back then. I'm sure it's a bit better now, but I've never tried MFF and I've never really tried anything else. I've only done Apex and Top Step. Bro, I'm manifesting this payout. Bro, you got it, bro. You got it, my man. Bro, lately a lot of you guys have been getting payouts, so I'm happy with it. It shows, guys. It shows. It shows. You know what I mean? MFF milestone plan. Send it over to me. Let me check it out. I'll let you know if it's good. My goal is three to 5 payouts by January 1st. But that's doable. That's doable. Well, Jojo, I don't remember the plan. I gotta check it. I gotta check it out, bro. Oh, 3 out of the 5 accounts. Oh, okay, bet. But yeah, bro, that's super possible, bro. Alright, let's see, guys. We're about to get the sweep here, and we're 3 points away. Come on, let's see. We're right there. I really want to take out that liquidity. If I get my payout, will my drawdown go down? No. Guys, for those that don't know, let's say for example, if you guys are on a 50K account, pretty much what happens is once your account goes above $52,000 on the dot, your drawdown will freeze at $50,100. Meaning, it doesn't matter if you make $10,000. It doesn't matter if you make $10,000 or $100,000, whatever. As long as that account doesn't go below $50,100, you're good to go. And we just took out liquidity. All right, perfect. There we go. All right, now we need to sweep it. Right, so I know we're below the level. Now we need buyers to start stepping in here. Right, we need buyers to start stepping in and signaling the sweep. Once you get the sweep, we need the MSS to form by creating higher highs and higher lows. Once you create that MSS, we look to inverse this 50-minute fair value gap, and we're good for a setup. All right. It depends on what we do. I don't know if we go lower, then honestly, I can't really give you guys a setup at least for the AM session. All right, because obviously there is nothing perfect for us to trade. What about the other 15-minute? It's pretty high up, so we could target that. If you're talking about this one, we could target that as a price target. Right, but we need to see buyers start stepping in here. If they can't start stepping in here, then guys, we might not be able to get a setup for the AM session because there's nothing that's really calling our name here. All right, let's see what we could do. This is what he's talking about. Let me see. Bro, why is there so much in one picture, bro? I don't get why these prop firms make it so complicated. Okay, let me see. We're selling off. Wait. Hold on, if we create a fair value gap here, we can even get an earlier entry. Yeah, fuck it, we could just work off this then. In the meantime, let me catch up with this. So, for $171, a one-time fee. I'm assuming that pays for the activation fee as well. Right? I'm assuming it does. Yeah, it should. Okay, so the profit target is 1.5K. The max drawdown is $1,000, which is not very good. That's very little breathing room. That's very little breathing room. The consistency 20%. I don't know, bro. Bro, just if you're gonna do that, but just do tops. If you want to do tops, bro, do tops. If you want to do Apex, just do Apex. All those rules, like for what, bro? Like why do you make it so complicated? Can I be caught 80 points? For real? He didn't alert it. No, not from what I could see. Yes, in an hour. No, okay, look, guys. New plan here. New plan. Since we were gonna get an entry up here, obviously we're very far away from it, right? Um, what we could do is we could take our liquidity, the final level of liquidity at 721, right? Which is this one right here, this double bottom, right? Double bottom liquidity right here, guys. We take out this liquidity, we form a fair value gap, and we just inverse this. We can inverse that. We can get the complete bottom, really good entry, and really really good setup. Oh, an idea? Oh yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That 50-minute, yeah, it's still it is, but bro, it's very far away, bro. With the amount of price that we're getting right now, we have to push up 100 points to get to just get the entry, let alone the price targets. So I much rather have us inverse something right here, and then we work off that. This level at 693. I know that. I know that. But I mean, let's work with the nearest one that of what we got. If we want to go lower, then yeah, we'll focus on 693. But for now, let's focus on 721. Right? So let's see. Okay, look. Here's what I'm telling you guys. Literally, peep this. Peep this. Right? So, fair value gap right here. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. We take out liquidity. We already took out liquidity at 755, which is amazing, right? But if we can get an extra level of liquidity right here, we take this out. We start sweeping and form a mini MSS, and we get some buying, just like how we did right now. Perfect setup. Perfect setup. Not only are we catching the bottom, but the setup is actually still amazing because we're getting a sweep, and MSS, and an inverse. So in my eyes, this is amazing. Now we need sellers to pick up a little bit here, a little bit. Now we could still inverse this, but obviously we need the fair value up to close because we can inverse this off the sweep from 755. You get what I'm saying? Look at the 15-minute. Nah, 15-minute has nothing. It's whatever. But yeah, guys, it's either we take out whatever we, even if we don't take out 721, we could still inverse this. Now, buyers, do not step in too much here, cause then we're screwed. Then we're really screwed. Let's go down a little bit here. Come on here. Let's go down a little bit. Let's not fill this fair value gap so quick. Oh shit. Too many buyers stepping in. Oh no, bro. It's like, bro, when we get such a good setup, bro, it's like it gets ruined, bro. No. Yeah, ES is picking up as well, which is good. Don't get me wrong, it's good, but no, there goes the setup. It's about to get filled. Come on, I'm like crossing my fingers. It's like just go down a little bit for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Just hold this range. No. No. There goes the setup, guys. Okay, we're gonna have to work with the one above here. I mean, but hey, we're still guys. The guys. The what's it called? The idea is still playing out, guys. Remember what I told you? We want to make sure that we take our liquidity at 755, we sweep it, and then we form Nemesis. We're sweeping, all right? We're still sweeping, but the entry is gonna take a lot longer, bro. We're gonna have to wait like what, 80 points for an entry. So I mean, it's not horrible, but bro, we could have had such a way better setup there. What about the 15-minute? I much rather just wait for this one. It's just so much better. It's so much because look, if you're gonna inverse this one, look, you inverse it right here, you push up 10 points, you're back into a fair value gap that we can reject from. You know what I mean? So, but guys, we are getting the idea that we want to see here. Remember what I told you guys? We want to take out 755. We want to sweep it, and now that we're getting the sweep, what we need is that we need to start forming higher highs and higher lows like this until we inverse this fair value gap. Once we inverse this fair value gap, guys, we're good for an entry. Do you guys get what I'm saying? Right? So I told you guys, it might take some time. You know, maybe we get in the PM session, who knows? But we have a setup here. It's looking really good, but it's just very far away. So we don't know how it's gonna work out so far. Fingers crossed we get a very good setup. Fingers crossed. But man, I really wish we had an earlier entry down here. That would have been perfect. But let's see, guys. You're in longs? Yeah, I mean, sure, yeah, you could take longs. I don't know what you're in from, but the idea is there. The idea is there. You know what I mean? There's an entry on the 15 minute. I told you guys, I'm telling you guys, the 15 minute is literally risky. If you're gonna do it off this one, like I said, guys, if you inverse this fair value gap, sure, you might get a quick 10 point scalp or whatever. But if the market decides to reject off this 15 minute fair value gap right above it, you're gonna get stopped out. You can't even trim because you really don't have that much room for the trim. You know what I mean? But guys, ES is picking up like crazy. Okay, we're picking up volume here. It's a good sign, good sign, good sign. Now, question is, can we hold it? Can we hold it? At 8:55? Damn. Now that I think about it, guys, the shorts up here, I know I said I didn't care, but man, were they good? How many points was this? Like 100? Oh, that would have been a crazy ass trade. Let me tell you guys. It's all good though. It's all good. Is it possible we form a bullish fair value gap and we use that instead? The chance of that happening is we could. I mean, it's a possibility, but you know, I wouldn't say. I mean, it's whatever. You know, 120 bucks away from requesting my first payout, bro. Congrats, bro. I'm telling you guys, uh, t- guys, so many of you guys are getting payouts this month. Hey, did we not say it though? We said that November was gonna be good for payouts. Hey David, do you know? I don't know. That's something with Discord. I don't control that. It's probably a glitch or something. But yeah, I told you guys November was gonna be good for payouts. I promised you guys, and man, a lot of you guys have been getting payouts. I'm talking a lot of you guys. Bless your noise. It's been so long too. I've been keeping my bro, 100%, bro. Now, don't be dumb here and start full pointing when you're $120 away. Size 2 micros, size 3 micros. Be smart here, bro. Slow and steady wins the race. I know you're close to it, but you're not at the finish line just yet. Don't get too ahead of yourself and start full porting or start sizing heavy to make $120. All right, bro. Size light, 3 micros. You're good to go, bro. If you take an L, you're good. It's a small L. All right, you make it back. All right, bro. Are we in? No, not yet. Not yet. We're waiting for an inverse up here, bro. We're waiting for an inverse up here. Can I request $500 on the 25K account? Yeah, you can. Yeah. Man, I'm tired. Actually, not really. I'm just yawning. But yeah, hopefully we can get these pullbacks right here. They're not gonna be too much of a big deal. It's fine as long as the market starts making higher lows and higher highs. We're good to go. All right. So as long as we don't get too much selling, we're good. All right, guys. That's all we need. That is all we need. These mini pullbacks, I don't care. You know, I don't care how many pullbacks we get, as long as the market creates the MSS off after that sweep at 755. The reading that we have so far, it's good. It's good. Because remember, I told you guys, we want to take out 755, we sweep it, we inverse, or I mean MSS, and then we inverse. That's all we need. That is all we need. All right. Here, I'm gonna delete this. I don't know if you guys really need it. Bro, is that pure cheese? Random question, but not like that. No, she's like, oh, like how's your day? And I'm like, oh yeah, it was good. Blah blah whatever. But yeah, let me see. I caught 30 points from 20,732 up 1,000, bro. Good shit. Yeah, don't call it, bro. Go enjoy your Thanksgiving, my man. Your job here is done, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Exactly. What's the macaroni, bro? That's just pure cheese, bro. Bro. But yeah, let's see. Now, guys, the problem here, guys, is with the volume being a little bit questionable, like whatever. This setup we might get it during the PM session. It might be during the PM session just because we're so far away from an entry, and by far away, I'm talking 75 points, which is not horrible, but with this price section, it's pretty far. All right. So we might get this PM session. We might not even get it at all, right? But all I'm gonna tell you guys is that this setup is the perfect setup, depending if we get it or not. If we don't get it, then we're not gonna force anything out. If we get it, then all right, we take it. All right, guys. But yeah, by the way, guys, how was how would you guys rate this week? I know we've only had one setup, but that one setup it was gold. How would you guys rate it? Not the trade, like the week. Like I don't know if you guys caught it. I don't know if you guys sold early. Maybe you guys missed it. 10 out of 10. L week. Nah, not for me, bro. I don't know about you, but you know, now making the recap for this week is gonna be a little bit hard because if we don't get a trade today, I'm gonna be announcing one one trade. But to be fair, that one trade was beautiful. I really wish we can catch those a lot more. But the market, it's kind of like whatever. One huge trade, yeah, yep. One for one is good in my books. No, definitely in my books, bro. Bro, you don't understand. The bro, Apex is scared for the payout that I'm about to request, bro. You guys don't understand. I wonder how many days I have left. I'll check after. I'm sure it's not much. It's a short week, so it makes sense. Yeah, 100%, 100%, 100%. That huge trade was a profit, bro. It was more than enough, bro. We're talking 10,000, bro. 1,000 per account. What's the biggest payout in Apex history? It was 1 point something million. Why haven't they forced you to go live yet? I'm not sure. Well, to be fair, I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna contact them. But honestly, bro, I do not live. I don't like lives. I don't even want lives. I don't want lives. I really don't. And we're selling off again. Wow, that was something. Alright. No, live is not sick. No, it's not good. Guys, you guys gotta understand, live accounts only benefit them. They don't benefit you. You still have the same payout rules. You still have the same drawdown. The only difference is you're trading on a real account, so you're making Apex more money. It's dumb, and you can't even copy trade. Because it's a real account. It's a different login. So, no. And now, matter of fact, I don't know if you guys heard about this, but Top Step, they made a new rule where if they force you into a live account, you can't trade XFAs, which are PA accounts. So you're forced to trade on one account and make them profit when you make yourself nothing, and you're forced to do it because you can't do anything about it, which is stupid. You know what I mean? So yeah, I much rather just not do that. I don't want to go into a live account. I never want to go into a live account with any prop firm. The whole point of that is to copy trade. You know? Yeah, but I remember Gear. If I were to get moved, I'll be moved in a TraderVid account. Well, the whole point in profit is to fund a live account, anyways. Well, yeah, but you're funding their account. You're not funding yourself, bro. You're funding their account. That's the thing. You remember, bro, you're making them money. You're not making yourself money. You're not making more money. You're making them more money. Live accounts, you're playing with the money that you haven't. Yeah, exactly. You can't copy trade. You can't do anything about it. You're forced into that. You can't request the money. It's not any different. You know what I mean? It's not like I make $100 today on a live account. I'm like, I tell TopStep or Apex, I'm like, hey, I made this money. I want it today. No, you still have to respect the same rules and everything. It's stupid. Okay, wait. Let me catch up with guys. You guys are going crazy in the chat. Hold on. Let me see. Do you have a clear definition of MSS? Do you always look at the 5 minute for an MSS? And in this situation, for example, do you want a candle close above the last high, or simply reverse after you draw liquidity? Sweep. Okay. So the highs don't really matter as long as the market. Okay, look. The market, obviously, right now, it's a bearish trend, right? Why is it a bearish trend? Because the market is creating lower highs and lower lows. Look, we have the main high, we have the main low. We created a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and so on, right? So when we're creating an MSS, obviously, the market needs to shift off something, which is the drawn liquidity sweep. All right. So once we get the drawn liquidity sweep, right, and the market starts shifting to the upside, we know that the market forms the MSS when the candles start creating, when they go from creating lower highs and lower lows into creating higher highs and higher lows. All right. So that's what I told you guys. After we take out 755, right, I would prefer to see price start doing this. Right. Like I said, I don't care about pullbacks as long as the price is stably going up like this, right? We should have a bullish trend. Once we have the bullish trend, we should be good to inverse this fair value gap and just target liquidity above, right? So that's the current game plan for now. All right. Hopefully that made sense. You let me know. You let me know. How do you avoid going to a live? I don't know. I don't know what they require. Yeah, there's no benefits to a live account. There really isn't. Like, sure, it's cool to say like, oh yeah, guys, I'm on a live account, whatever. Nah, you're not really making money off of it. One question: if a PA accounts are demo, one platforms lose money? No, because okay, I'm out of breath. Hold on, let me drink some water. I gotta get more water. Anyways, guys. Okay, no, platforms do not lose money from paying you out, cause long story short, 90% or maybe even more. For example, 90% of traders that trade prop firms, they are not profitable. Why? Because these prop firms like Apex or Tops, they make these accounts so cheap, so you're careless about trading on them, right? And when you're careless, sure, you might pass one account, but but to get to that one account, it might have taken 20 blown up accounts to get to that one account. You get what I'm saying? So not only are you paying for the evals, you're also paying for the activation fee. So they're making more than enough money from people buying these accounts and most people barely passing and let alone getting a payout. So they're making money off you losing. And I know it might sound evil, but is it really evil? Because at the same time, you have the choice to not do prop firms, right? And you could do a live account. But hey, guess what? If you can't pass an eval account, what makes you think you're going to pass a live account with your own money? Right? So regardless, you're still going to be losing money if you don't know what you're doing. Do you get what I'm saying? So yeah, they're making money. It might sound like an evil plan on a business, but no, it's how the world works, right? They give you the opportunity, like, hey, if you know what you're doing, we'll pay you out. If you don't know what you're doing, we're gonna get money from you from blowing up these accounts. At your live account, yeah, but no, I'm not saying you. You know, in general, I'm saying people like 98% of traders, you know, in the world, they're not profitable, right? Well, not 98. I'm sure that statistic is a little bit bro, profits are such a waste of time. Nah, bro. Nah. Obviously there's a bit of strings attached, which can make you think that profits are wasting time, like evals and all that stuff. But at the same time, bro, if you know what you're doing, bro, you can average 40K a month, 20K a month off these accounts. So you tell me, bro. Best scenario for me, is to stay in 20 demo accounts indefinitely, and let Apex decide for themselves if they want to attempt to copy. I, I don't really care if they copy my strategy. Like, who cares? I mean, there's like what, like 500 of you guys watching me trade live. What's the owner of Apex, you know, gonna do? It's whatever. You know what I mean? Like, what difference does it make? Yeah, you don't. If you want to make a living off trading, I would say like a 10K account can have you stable. Like, no, not even 10K, maybe like 5K. People keep saying that 9%. Yeah, no. I don't think that's yeah. It's not true. I don't think 90%. I would say like maybe like 70% of traders are unprofitable, but definitely not 90. Definitely not 90. No, no, no. There's too many people out there that are getting paid out. Why do you think these profits are going broke? Too many people are profitable. You know what I mean? So yeah, in my opinion, I would say like maybe 70% of traders are unprofitable, but not 90. Let alone 98. That's what people say. 98%. That's bullcrap. I don't believe it. Mm-mm. Maybe like 70. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You think Apex will ever go under? No, 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 bro. Apex has been a thing for years, and Top Step has been a thing for even more. They've been a thing for like what, like 12 years, 10 years, 12 years, around there. Isn't prop firms supposed to make you money on you? I mean, you can get a payout over 53K, make 3K on you. Am I wrong? Well, no, because you're trading simulated accounts. Keep that in mind. So no one's making money from the account. But look, the way this works, guys, is they make money off you guys buying these accounts. But not everyone is gonna get a payout. But the people that do get a payout, they send you the money that they made from other people buying the accounts. It's like a. I'm not gonna say snowball effect, but it's like you get what I'm saying. It's a cycle. They make money off you, you make money off them, or you're technically making money off other people buying these accounts. Yeah, it's a whole thing. It's a whole thing. They have bigger accounts. I take bigger trades. Yeah. Oh wait, would you consider opening an account with your own money? I have one. I have one. I never use it though. I just kind of have it there just in case. I have it with five point something. Okay. I used to trade on it. Blast, you should make a pyramid scheme. Um, yeah, they do make money off live accounts. Yeah, I might say cash if price actually doesn't move up. Yeah, no, I'm telling you guys, it's if you don't get anything, it's okay. You know what I mean? We're also approaching lunch in a bit. I'll open my own prop firm soon. I don't know, bro. I don't know about that, bro. But that shit takes millions to make. Actually, no, maybe not millions, but it takes a lot of money. We're talking six figures, high six figures to make. You gotta cover. I mean, bro, no trade yesterday. Anyone today? I mean, bro, I shout out to the market, bro. I'm just working with what we have here, bro. Because if I don't give you guys a trade, you guys complain. If I give you guys a red trade, you guys complain. Like, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm waiting for something good to come up, which we have it. We just need it to form. Do you always have to trade 8 days? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bro, twisted. Less is more in trading, 100%. If you guys can't understand it, then you know that's for you to get. Why don't you post your why don't you post trading on social media, bro? I don't know. I don't know. I don't really like social media that much. I've kind of got I've gone ghost from social a little bit. I really don't like social media, and I don't know. I also don't like showing. I don't like flashing stuff. I know you need it for trading to promote a lifestyle or whatever, or, it's how it is. You know what I mean? Why do you think every trader out there has promotes a Lambo or whatever? Um, a red trade is better than no trade, bro. Yeah, 100%. Nah, but no, bro. I no. It's not I'm being humble. It's because I believe in the your bro. It's a profile picture, bro. Come on now. No, but real shit. I believe in in the bad eye, bro. Once you show something and you're very flashy about it, I always believe that it'll get taken away. Yeah, I don't like that. I really don't like that. The evil eye, the bad eye, whatever. Is that what it's called? I say it in Spanish. I don't know what it's called in English. But I'm assuming it's the bad eye, right? Some shit like that. Can't be in the for real? Oh, I didn't know that. I actually didn't know that. No, I don't know. I just you know I just don't like being flashy. I always believe that people wish bad upon you. Um, are you Christian? I am. Yeah, I am. I follow this ecom dude. He bought a C8, posted it, and got into an accident. Bro, wait. Do you guys know? What's his name? What's his name? Brez Scales. That's his name. Do you guys know that guy? Brez, bro. How do you buy an M4? Crashes the same. What the hell? Oh shit, we saw. Bro, how do you buy an M4? Crashes the same day, buy a Lambo, and crash it 4 days after. Bro, that's either he either doesn't know how to drive, or that's insurance fraud. Because there's no way. There's no way. Yeah, I know. I saw. We're still selling off. Hmm. Cause bro, that Brett Skills, I'm sure you guys know him. He's a pretty big guy on Twitter or on TikTok as well. Too much car. Yeah, a lot of people were saying that in the comments. People were saying that, hey, like, bro, you can't handle these cars. You know what I mean? Bro, people were telling him, bro, just settle down for a slower car, bro. Nah, but like, I'm sure shit happens, and I'm really hoping I don't jinx anything. But bro, I mean, bro, he's crashed two beautiful cars in a month. An M4 or M3. It was an M3. An M3 in a it was a Ventador, right? The red one. Bro, he has to be doing some sort of insurance fraud, bro. There's no way. There is no way. Oh wait, we have a Ferrari up here as well. We keep making Ferrari gaps, but we're not getting any sense of a reversal. Let's sweep 693. You're saying? I mean, yeah, we're right there, but so far, like I said, guys, I know the market is moving pretty decent or whatever, but I'm not seeing anything A plus yet. So I'm gonna stay on. Don't get me wrong, I'm gonna stay on, but A little bit of patience here till we get something. But Blast, you should have a movie night in the Discord. I feel like, bro. I feel like this is gonna go. This is gonna go to shit. Um, we really don't have any more. Yeah, no. Once we take out 693, that's it. I really can't tell you guys we're gonna go any lower. This is the final level I have to the downside. Are we waiting for any more setups? We're waiting. We're waiting. But I don't see anything just yet. You guys take something? No, not yet, bro. Not yet. Not yet. Movie night so I can cuddle. Yo, what? Yeah, Blast. How does your setup look? Like my computer setup or my trading setup? Or I mean the chart setup. Okay, guys, set it. Bro. Computer. I don't know if I have a pic. Well, obviously I do. Let me see. Hold on. While we wait for this sweep to happen. Krabby hasn't caught anything either. So that's how you guys know the market is garbage. Let me see computer. Let me switch to computer. My computer setup looks like this. Let me see. Let me find it. Right here. Okay, here. Look at the premium chat. Who asked? Frank? It was you, Frank, right? Yep, Frank. Oops, I almost sent the wrong picture. Here it is, bro. It's a common setup. It's my computer on the side, 2 monitors, that's it, and a keyboard. Oh, you asked? Oh, it was EJ. Oh, yeah, okay, bet. Should get an event.
We're here at LAC looking at this Aventador. Some sort of sign. 2 cars.
Bro, but like, I get it. Shit happens, but bro, 2 cars in like a month. You like, bro, and a Lambo, such a beautiful car, bro. Now I don't get how that car's totaled. It doesn't look total to me. I don't know.
Fucking
Irresponsible. I mean, bro, it has to be an insurance fraud. In my opinion, bro, that has to be. There's no way. There's no way you buy 2 100K cars or more than 100K, and you just let them go. I see that car is repairable. There's no way. It's only the front that got damaged. I doubt it has any. Yeah, no, but bro, give that car to what's his name? Matt Armstrong. But he'll have that shit fixed in 2 hours. Airbags have to go. Oh yeah, 100%. He said the place he got it was repairing it for him. Yeah, maybe. I mean, if I had a mentor, the last thing I would want was for my mentor to be throwing away money like that. But I mean, maybe other people think different, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm telling you, if you guys know who Matt Armstrong is, bro, one of the best YouTubers out there, bro. Have you heard of Lambo? Oh yeah, massive guru, bro. He's known to scam. Like I mean for real. Like what's it called? Um, what's it called? I saw him yesterday. No way, bro. There's like a whole thing going on Instagram where he like takes people's money. He doesn't do what he promises. Get a dash cam. I think the C8 has one. Like it has one built in. I just gotta plug in the USB. Another setup gone. No, not really. No, we're kind of still waiting on something. We're waiting on a bro. Guy, you know. Yeah, bro. He's a massive scammer, bro. But you should look. Bro, look. You search up his name, and the first thing that comes up is scammer. Bro, look at this. Hold on. Look, the first thing that comes up is scammer. You see what I'm saying? Let me see. His name is Lambo Raul, whatever it is. The thing is, on Instagram, he did like some mentorship course, and he didn't even do it or some shit. That's what I heard. I don't know. I could be wrong. But I don't think he's fake. He's just, he takes people's money. I think the CA has a valet cam. Bro, no, it has a valet. I can never say the word, bro. Like valet. I don't know, bro. You guys get what I'm saying. It has the mode, so I'm pretty sure it limits it to like it limits it to like what, like 50 miles per hour. Q Banks, valet. Okay, that. Q Banks. Let's see who's Q Banks. Q Banks. I've heard of him. Q Banks. Oh no, I never heard of him. But yeah, guys. The market, man, is not. No setups. No setups. I'm trying here. I'm trying here. Trust me. But nothing super promising just yet. Bro. Thoughts on Justin. Okay, now that it's a little bit. I would say that okay, that topic is a little bit debatable. I would have to say. Okay, okay. What do you guys think about the TGR and Justin situation? Do you guys think it's a lot of people lost money? That's what I'm gonna say. It's sad. What situation? Okay, for those that don't know, TGR and Justin, they went on Twitter and on Twitch. They started streaming some meme coins. They're like, "Oh, guys, buy it, guys, buy it, buy it, buy it. I'm gonna buy it right after, whatever, whatever." And they're on Twitter saying, "Oh, this coin, this coin, this coin, this coin." And obviously, people following millionaires would be like, "Hey, let me buy the coin," right? And a lot of people lost money. Now, people losing money is not the big deal here. Well, obviously it is, but the main part is you can't really go out there and pump and dump coins. That's kind of illegal. You know what I mean? So a lot of people are getting on him. They're threatening to sue TJR. TJR got his lawyers involved, and all that stuff. But how do you guys feel about that? How do you guys feel about that? Now, obviously, me saying it, it's something. But maybe you guys made money. Maybe you guys, lost money. He should have known better, 100%. Especially when you're in crypto. I feel like he knew what he was doing. Cause I mean, bro, he was on stream saying, "Guys, buy this, buy this, buy this, buy the Diddy coin, buy the Diddy coin." And I'm gonna buy it right after you guys, so you guys make money. And you know what I mean? Obviously, anyone with the brain would know that he's probably buying before, maybe on another computer, right? And he's making the money. You know what I mean? Cause, bro, I can have my like, for example, I can have my girlfriend on the other side of the room saying, "Okay, buy the chill guy coin right now. I'm about to go on stream and say buy it now." Right? You put a position. I'm here. You guys are seeing me on stream. I'm technically not buying anything, but you know, behind the scenes, you get what I'm saying, guys. TJR is a smart guy. Let's be honest here, right? It's a pretty obvious thing. I could tell someone, "Hey, buy it for me on this account. I'm gonna pump it up real quick. I'm gonna tell everyone that I'm not buying it because I'm sharing my screen and you guys don't see me buying it, right? I tell everyone to buy it. I sell it on you guys because you guys pumped up the price. I make a quick 100K, whatever, and you guys get screwed over because everyone lost money at the end of the day." Yeah, exactly. Especially, bro, you guys have seen the clips. Look at this. Hold on. It was on Twitter. Hold on. Look at this, guys. Hold on. Let me see. I think it was on TikTok. Hold on. Did we take a liquidity? Not yet.
Just run!
Oh, shit.
I'm not.
Oops. Sorry, guys. I don't know if you guys heard that. Let me mute this real quick. Okay. So it was TGR pump. Let me show you guys. He knows what he's doing. Now I don't know how you guys feel about it. Okay, look. He acts like obviously you guys know TGR is known to not care about anything. He acts like himself. But look at this. Hold on. Let me screen share everything. Okay, look at this, guys. Look how easy it is, right? I even I could do this, right? Let's say for example, I have my girlfriend on the other side of the room or in another room, right? I quickly text her, "Hey, Diddy coin," right? That's what he bought. It was some Diddy coin or some shit, right? Hey, buy it up real quick, put a quick 100K into it or whatever, right? He goes on stream. He says one word. He says Diddy, buy now, whatever. People buy it up. You quickly sell. Guys, look at the price action here. Look at this.
I got let into the Diddy party! I got let into the Diddy party!
Fuck, holy crap, hold on. Bro, my ears.
No, not November, brother.
Look.
It's gonna break.
Look at this. You see what I mean? Look at this, guys. Because realistically, I don't think you're allowed to do that. Right? Are you? I don't know. But he said he got his lawyers involved, so something happened. Maybe he got something. But yeah, no, look at this. He opens up a coin. He tells everyone, "Go, guys, go buy it." And obviously, the people following him, they don't think. And you know, look at this.
No, not November, brother. It's
Look at
gonna
this.
break.
Boom. And he goes crazy because he knows he made money. He made a lot of money.
Oh my God! Why didn't we think of this?
Look. This is the clip that I saw. Look at this, guys. Look. So he says, "Oh my God, why didn't I think of this?" He opens up a Diddy coin, right? And the coin goes from absolutely zero to like a. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh my God! Why didn't we think of this? John Pork.
John Port.
John Pork!
Bro, that's pumping and dumping, bro. Like, it's so obvious.
Instant rip! Instant rip! John Pork, how did we not think about this?
You see what I mean? So, I don't know. Maybe it's legal, maybe it's not. I could be wrong. I don't know too much about crypto. So, who knows? Who knows? How much did he make? I would say an easy six figures. It's TGR that we're talking about here. We're talking about TGR here. That's why they do it on shady exchange. Binance doesn't even allow that. They don't do meme coins. I don't think that's legal. I don't know, but I don't know if you guys saw it, but on Twitter, everyone was in his comments calling him out, super mad, saying, "Hey, like I lost money, blah blah." I like your Steam library. Wait, what? Did I open it? Oh shit. I don't know what I have on Steam. I think everyone should be. I think it would be bad if he sold when he tells everyone to buy. I mean, bro, come on now. He probably did. Remember, bro. Anyone with a brain would be like, would just tell anyone nearby, like, "Hey, buy this for me on my account on another computer. I'm gonna pump it up real quick, and you just sell it when it pumps up." It's still legal with crypto, not with stocks. Yeah, that's the problem. That's what I'm telling you guys. I don't know how I feel about it. So I don't think it's legal, but people will still be out to, there's something that has to be legal about that people are threatening to sue him. It's him and Justin Werlin, I think that's his name. I bought like 5 different meme coins and all of them went down. Bro. That's how it is, bro. That's how it is. Look, I'm telling you guys, if you guys want to be profitable when trading meme coins, you guys have to be the rug pullers. Or the pumpers. You guys can't be the audience, because obviously you guys are going to be the liquidity. Remember, create liquidity, don't be the liquidity. Alright? A little tip for me. A little tip for me. Is it gambling or, well, it's both pretty much. Justin literally didn't take out the full 500K. I think, didn't he say he made like 200K in like an hour? Thoughts on the charts? Bro, it's pretty ugly. Still nothing crazy that's really screaming at us to really take anything. Obviously you guys can see the price action, so we're still here waiting for something. Blast, do you think we're just gonna chop? I mean, we're getting to lunch hour, but I don't know, maybe PM should be a bit better. It should be a bit better. I went to the barber. Bro, I gotta cut my hair. Let me see if I can call my barber as well for later. What do you guys think? Do you guys think we're gonna chop? Yeah, I think so too a little bit. What time will we go live? It depends. It depends if we get a setup or not. PM chop. I don't know, mate. It'll be all right. I would say. Yo, Blast. If I ever see you IRL, can I, bro? Obviously, bro. What? Bro, I'm not, bro. I'm not a celebrity, bro. I'm a regular ass kid, bro. Of course, bro. Bro, I'm not someone like that, bro. Obviously, I meet up with people. Like, if you guys are ever in Miami and you guys like, you know, you guys let me know and I'll be like, yeah, sure, I'll pull up. Nothing abnormal, bro. No, nothing I'm normal. I'm not. We get all nervous and shit. Eh. Can I get your autograph, bro? You guys are. You guys are. Am I gonna call it? I don't know. I don't want to because I really want to get you guys to set up before the market closes, but obviously with the market not moving and just going down with no setups, I can't really work with anything. You meet up with Krabby when he's in Miami this week? This week? You didn't tell me. Hold on. Let me see something. This week, you say? No, he's gonna be in Orlando, I think. Is he even trading still? Oh no, he's not. This week, you say? Can we get a day in life, bro? My life is just as normal as yours, bro. I wake up, I brush my teeth, I trade, I go to the gym, I get food, and I just stay home watching YouTube. I do not live a crazy life, bro. I'm just as normal as you are, bro. Wait, is futures like gambling? No, 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 no. Wait, Shami, did you come from options, or did you always do futures? Bro, I'm not gonna say order filled, bro. Can we get a cold start on the vet? Yeah. Uh, I'll do it in a bit when I'm about to get off. If you guys want to see it. I came from. Oh, okay, okay, yeah. So, check out this channel here. This channel should get you started. All I'm gonna say, Shamin, is futures 100,000,000% better than options. Should be this one. Where are you from? Italy, bro. I'm Italian, and I might have the Miami accent. Yeah, bro. I got you. I got you. I got you. That's my dream life, bro. What about this life is your dream, bro? The fact that I do nothing. I thought you were Cuban. Yeah, I am. I am. I lived in Cuba for 3 years, and then I came over here to Miami and just lived my entire life here. But no, I was born in Italy, but my entire family is from Cuba. Did you come to Miami with nothing? Pretty much, yeah. Pretty much. Pretty much. No, bro, I didn't come like that, bro. I came on a plane, bro. Relax. How's your own business? I don't know. I haven't asked her about it. She still want it. You speak Italian? I understand it. I don't speak it though. You have siblings, bro? Guys, what are these questions, bro? Like, at this point, you guys need my social security number? Like, what? What time does the PM session start? Whenever we get a setup, bro. Whenever we get a setup. We're like, guys, what are these personalized questions, bro? Bro. I still can't open full screen. I know. I can't control anything about it. It's something on Discord's end. They gotta fix it. That's why am I single, bro? Focus on yourself, bro. Look, you chase the money, and the girls will chase you. You don't chase girls, all right, bro? Best tip I can give you. For the last 4, bro. Guys, you guys are typing fast as hell. Yo, call start the vet before you get off. Bet. I'll join up. I'll join up. But would you guys want to call it? Bro, never. Bro, there's like a million questions, bro. Hold on. Okay, let me find your question then. Where's your question? I can't find your question, bro. Close the chat for full screen. Hey, try that, guys. Try that. It might work. It might work. Am I looking for a date, bro? Can you re-explain the ideal setup at the moment? Yeah, of course, of course. Okay, guys. Um, once again, now that the market took out literally all of the levels of liquidity to the downside, we're looking for a sweep. Now the market is consolidating because we're approaching lunch hour, right? But what I would want to see is for us to start forming an MSS, start breaking highs like this, right, where the market start creating higher highs and higher lows. We simply inverse this 5 and 15-minute bearish rally gap. We take longs from here, right? We target liquidity 1, 2, 3, and 4. But we need the MSS. We're already getting the sweep, right? You guys see the market is sweeping 721, but we need the market to form the MSS. If we can't get that, then obviously we can't really work with anything. All right, so let me know. Let me know. Do you play like, bro? What type of question is that, bro? Do I play Mario? Like, what? You play chess? I want to learn chess, but no, I've never really played it. Do you have a clear definition of an MSS? Yeah, it's MC. Do you always look at the 5-minute? Yes, I use the 5-minute always. Any time frame works, but the 5-minute is a lot faster. In this situation, for example, do you want the candle close? Yeah, because obviously, if we want to be making higher highs and higher lows, we need to be obviously breaking highs to make higher highs. So yes, I would want that. Yeah. Did you braid it? Yeah. When I shower in the morning. You don't use VWAP? No, I don't. Bro. Oh my. Okay, bro. Okay. Why? I don't know. I just don't use it. Plus, we have another 15-minute fair value gap just below the don't use this one. Don't use this one. It's not the best one. Why? Because if you inverse this one, you're gonna shoot right back up into the next one, which you can also get stopped out from. 1 trillion lines versus the sun, who would win? Bro, that's like, bro, I don't know. You're in the 98th percentile. What does that mean? Like you're the 98th person in the world? Percent of the whole size better than me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, okay. So you're smart. You're a smart one here. All right. Nah, shot is cooked, bro. Bro, get used to it, bro. When the market doesn't give us setups, bro, it's just pure boredom, bro. Bro, the Lions will win because the Lions could sneak up on the sun at nighttime. Bro, yeah, that works. That works. Bro. Have you ever watched the videos comparing the size? Yeah, I have. I still do. I mean, when they come up on TikTok, I get curious, bro. I don't know. So we, yeah, bro, I'm waiting on it, bro. I'm surprised you haven't done it. You have TikTok? Yeah, but I don't use it like that. I just, how are you trading YouTube videos coming together? Pretty good, pretty good. I got you on that. Alright, single? No, no. Trading the premium, bro. First and foremost, bro, welcome. Now, kind of ignore the chat. Like I said, get used to it. No, ignore the chat. Ignore the chat. Get used to it. Because when the market doesn't give us any subs, bro, it gets a little bit hectic. All right, bro. But now when we make money, bro, that's what you're like. All right. What time will the PM session start? Whenever we get a setup. That's if we get a setup. What shampoo do you use? Bro, that's my cue to get off, bro. That's my cue to get off, bro. Anyways, guys, yeah, I would say we just come back PM session because the market right now it's not looking very promising. What's your favorite ice cube? Oh, crushed. Now that question, I can answer. Anytime you guys hear me drinking water, I'm always chewing on on the crushed ice. Probably love it. What's your favorite? Yo, alright, I got you, bro. I got you. So I got you. I got you guys. Alright. But yeah, for those that are waiting on the trade, guys, come back PM session. Alright, please come back PM session. Alright, guys. Now for the people staying, it's for the vet. So let me go ahead and get that real quick. Hold on. Let me draw my phone. But yeah, guys. If you guys are done trading, or if you guys are, you know, we're done. We're done. Alright, guys. And YouTube, guys, I'm gonna call it because obviously the market is very choppy right now. Nothing good to trade, especially before Thanksgiving. I'm not going to the market red. Alright, guys. So YouTube, I'm gonna call it real quick. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys on Monday. Alright. Peace out. Peace out, YouTube. Peace out, guys.